Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best grill accessories is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you can own, but to unlock its full potential, you'll need the right tools. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ninja Foodi Grill accessories, exploring everything from grill grates and crisper baskets to specialized tools that will elevate your grilling game. Get ready to transform your cooking experience with these must-have additions that will help you achieve perfect results every time. Number 5. Kona Wood Pellets Variety Pack for Ninja Woodfire. These Kona barbecue smoking pellets are made from carefully chosen trees. Sourced from retired orchards and sustainable forests, they ensure a superior flavor in every pellet. It is compatible with your Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill. This variety pack includes 8 different flavors, each in a 1-pound bag. You'll get a range of options, from premium blend to 100% mesquite acacia. That's a total of 8 pounds of top-quality wood pellets. These pellets are ideal for all grill types. You can add them to a Kona smoker tube or sprinkle them directly onto charcoal. Note that it's not designed for use in hopper-fed pellet grills. Experience the concentrated aroma of Kona's 100% hardwood pellets. This variety pack offers exceptional flavors for an entire grilling season, with up to 80 uses. You only need 1/3 to 1/2 cup per use. Kona wood pellets burn hotter, producing the perfect thin blue smoke. This will elevate your grilling experience. You'll get the results that pitmasters strive for. What we like. If you love experimenting with different smoky flavors, this variety pack is perfect for you. It offers a wide range of wood pellet flavors, allowing you to explore and find your favorite. It's ideal for those who enjoy the authentic taste of wood-fired grilling and want to elevate their dishes with unique aromas. What people say. The Kona Wood Pellets Variety Pack has worked very well in the Ninja Woodfire XL grill. The pellets are 100% wood as required by the grill. They burn cleanly and provide a flavorful and full smoky flavor to the meats we have tried: chicken quarter, turkey breast, and beef. They are easy to use as you just get a small scoop and place the pellets into the small container on the side of the grill. I bought this variety pack to use with my Ninja Woodfire oven. It is a great value, and so far everything that I have smoked has been tasty and flavorful. The pellets have a real taste to them, not processed or chemical-based. The pellets burn evenly and for a long period of time, also making this a great value. Works perfectly in the Ninja outdoor grill, which is why I got it. I used apple ad smoke to air crisp chicken wings, and they turned out great. Good burn time, smoke level, and low ash production. Number 4. Ninja Foodi AG301 Splatter Shield. Introducing the replacement Splatter Shield, designed specifically for your Ninja Foodi. This shield helps keep your unit clean by catching splatters. It's an essential accessory for any Foodi owner. This splatter shield is compatible with Ninja Foodi models AG300, AG300C, AG301, AG301C, AG302, and AG400. It measures 8.46 by 8.46 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for your grill. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this splatter shield is both safe and durable. You can cook with confidence, knowing that it's designed for healthy cooking. The ultrafine mesh effectively catches splashes, preventing the heating element from getting dirty. This also helps to reduce smoke during cooking, making your experience more enjoyable. Cleaning is a breeze with this removable splatter shield. It's also dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. The roll hemming design ensures burr-free edges for safe handling. What we like. This splatter shield is designed to keep your grill clean and your food safe. Its ultrafine mesh effectively catches splatters, preventing smoke and ensuring a mess-free cooking experience. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to maintain your grill and enjoy hassle-free cooking, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It fit my Foodi perfectly. It seems similar quality. I can see the difference between the replacement and the old filter. This replacement splatter shield for my Ninja air fryer has quickly become an indispensable accessory in my kitchen. This stainless steel fine mesh splatter screen has proven to be a game changer in keeping my cooking area clean and mess-free. The stainless steel construction not only ensures durability but also adds a sleek and professional look to my cooking setup. It's easy to clean and maintain, making it a hassle-free addition to my kitchen routine. The fine mesh design strikes the perfect balance between protection and visibility, allowing me to monitor my cooking without worrying about splattering. I like the ease of removing for cleaning reinstalls just as easily. Controls splatter well. Number 3. Ninja Foodi AG301 Stainless Steel Splatter Shield. This splatter shield is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. It's durable and won't bend or rattle. It's designed to be a must-have kitchen accessory. This shield is compatible with Ninja Foodi models AG300, AG300C, AG301, AG301C, AG302, and AG400. It's the perfect accessory for your Ninja Foodi Grill. The splatter screen is easy to install and remove, extending the life of your air fryer. It's also easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. The ultrafine mesh catches splatter, keeping the heating element clean. This helps prevent smoking and adds a sense of security. You can provide healthy meals for your family. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with it, please contact us. It also makes a great gift for friends and family. What we like. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this splatter shield is built to last. Its durable construction and rolled-edge design ensure it won't bend or rattle, providing long-lasting performance. If you prioritize durability and ease of use in your kitchen accessories, you'll find this a valuable addition to your Ninja Foodi setup. What people say. Works as it should, stays in place. Perfect fit. Definitely durable, easy to clean, great value. Fits perfectly. Good quality. Number 2. Ninja Foodi Baking Set, 6.5 QT, 8 QT Deluxe Kit. This baking set is designed to expand your cooking possibilities. It includes everything you need to create a variety of dishes in your Ninja Foodi. The set comes with 3 different pans. There is a multi-purpose pan for casseroles and cakes, a crisper pan for pizzas and vegetables, and a loaf pan for breads. This set is compatible with 6.5 QT and 8 QT Ninja Foodi models. It's also perfect for air fryers with baskets larger than 9 inches in diameter. Made from food-grade materials and FDA certified, you can cook with confidence. It's BPA-free, so you don't have to worry about food safety. Cleaning up is a breeze with this set. The non-stick coating makes the pans easy to clean, and the metal accessories are dishwasher safe. The package includes a multi-purpose pan, a crisper pan, a loaf pan, 5 muffin cups, and 2 silicone mitts. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This baking set expands your cooking possibilities with multiple pans for various dishes. It allows you to bake cakes, pizzas, and breads with ease. If you are looking to diversify your Ninja Foodi cooking and enjoy baking, this set is a must-have. What people say. Really useful, even more than what it suggests. The one in this set works well, as does the cake pan. Fits perfectly with my Ninja Foodi 11-in-1. Number 1. Air fryer liners for Ninja Foodi Grill. Are you tired of cleaning your Ninja Foodi Grill after every use? These air fryer liners are the perfect solution. They make cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. Simply place the liner in your air fryer basket before cooking. It's that easy. The liners are designed to fit perfectly, ensuring even cooking. Made from high-quality, non-stick materials, these liners prevent food from sticking. They are also durable and can withstand high temperatures. Whether you're cooking fries, chicken, or vegetables, these liners are versatile. They help maintain the grill's cleanliness while ensuring your food cooks evenly. With these air fryer liners, you can enjoy delicious meals without the hassle of scrubbing. It's a simple way to make your cooking experience more enjoyable. What we like. These liners make cleanup a breeze. They fit perfectly in your grill and catch all the mess, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and want to spend less time cleaning up after cooking, these liners are the perfect solution. What people say. Works great in Ninja Foodi Grill. After you heat your air fryer, Ninja grill or toaster oven, then place mat in appliance and place food on top. Don't heat with mat inside alone, as it will blow around and could get caught in element. Nice to have all 3 types of mats to use for any type of food. Food doesn't stick. Wash by hand or dishwasher. Quite convenient. They are non-stick, easy to clean, and just great. Fits perfect, use them all the time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.